Welcome to GSA's Kahua e-learning series. In this video, we will show you how to use File Manager for delegated projects. The File Manager application is used to store and organize project files in GSA's standard folder structure. We will walk through adding a folder within the structure, uploading files to File Manager, sending files out of File Manager, and adding new versions of a file. After logging into Kahua, make sure you are working in the correct project by reviewing the project name on the top bar of the application. Click the app launcher located in the left navigation pane and open File Manager. The folder structure appears, and you can use the arrows to open folders to see the lower levels. To add a new folder, select a folder and then click Create Folder from the top. You can also right-click on the folder and select New Folder. In the New Folder window, select the type. Files is the standard and will work for any type of file. The media type functions as the standard files folder, but includes extra media-related fields that can be used to better describe the file. And the controlled type allows for predefined workflows within some of the apps. You can learn more about how the controlled folders work in the Design Review QRG or e-learning video. After you select the type, give your folder a name. Click OK, and your newly created folder appears in your folder structure. To add files from your computer, select the folder and click Add Files from the top. Follow the prompts, and in the Add Files window, you can add comments that will stay with the file, and you can also select one or more Kahua users to notify that the file has been added. To add an updated version of a file, upload it again with the same file name and select New Version when given the option. If you left-click on the file, a preview of the document opens in the Viewer pane. You can navigate through the preview with the options across the top or open to a PDF using the Open File option. You can compare versions. This opens the current version and allows you to select another version. Then you can slide back and forth to see what was changed. If you switch from the Viewer tab to the Details tab, you see the details of the file. Notice you can access the previous version of the document from here. Click Edit at the top to add more information. And then save and close when you're finished. You have several options for managing your document listed across the top. With proper permissions, you can delete the file. History will allow you to see when any changes have been made to the document and by whom. You can mark up your document. Be sure to watch the markups video for help with adding document markups. You can send a file or send a link. Both will open a Send wizard. Send file attaches the document. If you do have markups, it will actually include two documents, one with markups and one without. Send link includes a link to the document. Send for e-signature opens a wizard that allows you to set up your document to be sent out through DocuSign for a signature. Compare is the same tool we looked at where we compared the two versions. You can move, copy, or rename a file, or lock it so no one else can edit it. You can download a document with or without markups to be used or edited outside of File Manager. If you right-click on a document from the items list, you will have the same options as you do in the preview pane. Similarly, if you right-click on a folder, you have many of the same options. Remember, when copying, moving, deleting, or sending a link, it will include everything that is in the folder, including the lower level folders and their contents. Files can be pulled into a record of another application by selecting Add Kahua Doc in the References section. Select File Manager and find your document. To make it easier to find a file, you can use the drop-down in the top right-hand corner to see the files in all of the folders under the selected folder by clicking the applicable subfolder type. Check the box beside each document to include, and then click Add. The documents will be included with the record as a supporting document, and the description will be a hyperlink that will open the document. You will need to save the record. This concludes this video for File Manager. Thank you for watching. If you need help with Kahua, please check out our quick reference guides, additional videos, or submit a Kahua support ticket and someone will assist you.